Another installation here. Look in the brackets. Here, a blurry, important clip that I kept. It was a hazy day. Look at the installation I found close to the Earth, on the Earth's closest side of the moon. Many structures have been seen right now on the little bit of footage that we've been looking at. Lots. And this particular one you'll see in the brackets is one that I've seen 4 or 5 times in various areas of the moon. A very particular type of structure. A dome at the end with a sort of tunnel-like curved tunnel shape. On the top left also of the picture, you can see very symmetrical edges, wall shapes and edges and angles, along with a couple of bridge-like structures or tunnels. Once again, the graveyard of towers. Look at these astonishing anomalies, towering structures. So intriguing. What are these magnificent objects, many miles towering up into the sky? Not one of them the same size, height, or form. They're spectacular. Each of them are unique. Look over this part of the footage. I've slowed it down to 0.25 for you. Neil Armstrong, the astronaut from the Apollo 11 moon landing, was talking about magnificent, sky-rising, monolithic-like, towering-like objects that he did see on the moon. He talks about this in the transcripts on the NASA website. Now the view close-up of the installation, it's on the moon. Now all the installations that I showed you in here are in different areas of the moon, but the last 2 are in the same area.
Let me take the time to explain the picture 2 that I took on the moon during the full moon. Number 1, get to it, center top. Over number 1, there's a structure top and bottom. Number 2, on the left, there's a tower that goes up with a round sphere on it. On the right, there's the same structure as under number 1. Number 3, over number 3, there's a structure. An entrance is on the right of the structure over number 3. Look on the left where the line goes from the number 3. There's a building or structure that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square entrances. Number 4, to the left of number 4, you can see a lot going on that goes upwards, sort of a winding trail or something that goes up to the light that's under number 6. On the left of number 4, we can see that sphere on top of a white structure of some sort on the left of number 4. And keep going leftwards at the same level with your eyes, you'll see another structure there. Okay, number 5. To the left of number 5, a very big entrance is there with a square structure, symmetrical lines on the left. Entrance there, which seems to be flat top and carved out. To the right, there's some more entrances there. You can see number 6, 3 lines leaving underneath number 6. They are structures on the left, in the middle, and on the right. Number 7 is the same structure as you see in number 6, both symmetrically, the size and length. Number 8 is what I'd like you to take a look at. Seems other structures. It's all over this picture, but I'm trying to get the ones that are more detailed outwards. Sort of looks like a colonnade, sort of a nice Greek palace. Maybe not. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing in number 8. Very interesting. At the bottom, where the big red circle is, there's a lot going on in the left of the circle and in the right. At the very bottom, it's up to you guys to take a look at what's going on in the big major entrances and the sort of stepping stones, I call them, that go down symmetrically. It looks like they were formed, placed deliberately. The green spots, well, very obviously, are just the lights for you to see that they are always on the moon whenever you go out there. Beside number 1, there's a green circle, faint, with 2 spotted lights, a bit lower than number 1 off to the right of it. And you can see that there are 2 lights there, which often change during the times of the week. You have to be vigilant and notice them.